So today we'll be talking about crown, a dental crown. Okay, a dental crown is like a cap. You use it to protect a tooth you don't want to lose. Okay, it might be a tooth that is already weak or a tooth that already has a hole inside, but you don't want to lose that tooth and you want to protect it. So you do what we call dental crown to protect the teeth. Okay, so this crown basically its function is one to protect the teeth and to strengthen it too. Okay, and there are different types of it. We have about 4 to 5 or even more than. Okay, then but number one is metal crown. That is the one you see some people wear. It can be gold or alloy most of the time. Okay, then that is the number one. Then they have the number two, porcelain. Okay, that porcelain is we call it PFM, porcelain fused with metal, right? Then we have the zirconia crown and we have the acrylic or the recent crown. Let me show you this. Okay, the porcelain, which is PFM, porcelain fused with metal. This is how it looks. Okay, if you look at it, inside it, the base is metal. Okay, the black spot you're seeing inside is the metal. Okay, then on top of it, which is this color, the somehow whitish color, okay, is porcelain. So the inside of it is metal, the outside is porcelain. That is why it's called porcelain fused with metal. Okay, this is a very strong dental crown. It can last for like 10, 20 years depending on how you're using it. Okay, but the issue or the challenge this one has is if you look at this one now, the metal part is already exposed. Okay, so the challenge about this one is over the years of using it to grind and chew, the porcelain material on top of the metal wears off. Okay, so when it wears off, you may need a change of it or to get another one. Okay, then we have the other one which we call zirconia crown. Look at zirconia crown. Look at it. If you look at this one, it's purely, there is no metal inside. It's purely the material. Okay, it's purely the material. This one is more like your natural tooth color compared to the porcelain. It's equally strong too. It can last for like 10 years, 20 years, 30 years. Okay, but everything depends on the management. If you manage it properly, they can last very well. Okay, then we talk about the one of resin or acrylic. Okay, that one basically is for a temporary use, unlike these ones that are for permanent. Okay, that one is for it's especially like children when they have a trauma on their tooth. Okay, to probably their adult tooth is already out, but there is trauma on it. Okay, so you can't possibly extract the permanent tooth, so you will need to protect it. So that one, that is when they will need that acrylic crown. Okay, that one doesn't last long compared to these two I just showed you. Okay, so that one can be 3 to 5 years. Okay, so you use it temporarily to protect that tooth till the child grow and you do the permanent crown for that child to wear. Okay, so all those ones, that particular one, the acrylic crown or the resin crown, is for a temporary use, not permanent. Okay, so the lifestyle varies. Okay, so then how you can take care of a crown, okay, is by you brush twice daily. Make sure you're keeping the crown or the surfaces of the crown clean. That is number one. Then two, you floss gently around the crown when you're done eating. Because there is a way you floss, especially with the dental floss, the one that has thread. There's a way you put it in between a tooth that is crown. If you want to pull it out, you must accidentally pull out the crown. Okay, so when you want to floss around it, you just have to be gentle while you're flossing. Okay, then another thing is avoid chewing something that is extremely hard. Something like bone. We know these crowns are strong, but when you put so much pressure on them, they are tend to, especially that zirconia, it might break. But with the porcelain fused with metal, that one might not break because of the metal substance underneath it, but it will chip off the porcelain on top of the metal. Okay, so whatever it is you're eating, if you have crown on, you need to be gentle while chewing on that side. Okay, and avoid something that is extremely hard, especially bone, and some nuts that are hard to avoid them. Okay, so and if you are the type that chew your teeth in the night, or the type that grind your teeth in the night when you're sleeping, you are advised to wear a night guard. Because if you do PFM, a porcelain crown, but you ground in the night, if you are the day by day grounding will tend to wear off the porcelain material on top of the metal. Okay, then another way you can take care of it is to visit your dentist, so that your dentist will take a look at it. Because some crown, there is a way to fix a crown. If it's not flushing properly to the gum, there might be space underneath it. Okay, that space now, whenever you eat, food particles goes in there to stay. So over the years, it will now affect the crown, thereby making it to be loose. Okay, so if you visit your dentist and your dentist notice that the crown, there's a bit of space around the crown, so the dentist fills it, use a crown cement to cement around the place that is a bit exposed. Okay, so protect your teeth. Okay, so to protect your teeth that you don't want to lose, you need to wear a crown, and these very safe appliances. Okay, the appliance is very safe to wear. Okay, so watch out for my next video. Please do well to follow me, subscribe, and if you have any question, ask me in the comment section. I'll answer you. Thank you.